Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what this video is about me putting in a device. This would normally be for like a towel rack or a towel hanger, a hat hanger, but what this is going to be for today is I'm using my Dewalt 12-volt drill, and I'm putting in a hanger for my to hold my headset up on from my computer desk. And I'm going in the right direction. So we've reached kind of a standpoint. Now we gotta flip her up into second gear. That second gear is not going to work. So what we have to do now is kind of reverse. So guess what happened? It just got stuck. And I'm not sure why it got stuck. Alright. Hopefully we can figure out why it got stuck. That's more of a joke. I know why it got stuck. What we gotta do here is a couple little things. There we go. We just have to accept the fact what we have to do is accept the fact that we gotta take it. Well, what we figured out real fast is that this screw is a little bit big for what we're trying to work with, and something a little bit smaller, probably something a little bit longer might do the trick. But we got a good hole started so we could continue working from there.